A Shiawassee County woman will spend at least 10 to 30 years in prison for the overdose death of her own infant son. This is a story ABC 12 has been following since February of 2022. The most recent development came today in Judge Matthew Stewart's courtroom. Alyssa Irwin was there as the sentence was handed down.
The sentencing here at the Shiawassee County Courthouse comes after a jury found Jennifer Kincaid guilty of involuntary manslaughter as well as possession of meth. That happened on April 5th.
I know it was very hard for them to sit through this and hear the tragic case of a baby who was an innocent baby that died.
An investigation revealed her son, David Jr., died from an acute fentanyl overdose, a little one's life lost. In 2022, Jennifer Kincaid found her son unresponsive in the home, which she shared with her boyfriend, David Bannister.
It's unimaginable, the guilt that she's felt and the remorse. So, it's impossible not to feel, especially when you heard the testimony at trial.
Previous testimony revealed Kincaid struggled with drug use since 2012. Kincaid offered no additional comments at sentencing.
Your Honor, respectfully, I have nothing to say. I feel like I said what I needed to say at trial.
By placing your child in a position that would likely lead to his death, and his death was, in fact, the result of your utter thoughtlessness and carelessness, this court's sentence will focus primarily on the protection of society and punishment.
The boyfriend will be sentenced June 7th after pleading guilty in March to manslaughter and felony firearms charges for his son's death. The prosecuting attorney says it was somewhat justice for little David Jr., even as Kincaid and Bannister pointed fingers as to who is to blame.
We didn't have two babies that were dead because there was another twin sister in the house.
We have learned the twin of little David Jr. is in foster care as their mother will spend her time in prison. Here in Shiawassee County, Alyssa Irwin with ABC 12 News.